Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish egg curry. First, carefully clean about 500 grams of fish eggs under cool running water, ensuring they are free from any impurities. Next, finely chop 1 large onion and 2 medium tomatoes. Mince 2 tablespoons of ginger and 2 tablespoons of garlic. Have your basic spices ready, such as 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1½ teaspoons of chili powder. Now, let's build our flavorful curry base. Heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the minced ginger and garlic, cooking for 1 minute before adding the chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes soften and the oil begins to separate. It's time to introduce our spices and the star ingredient. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder to the tomato mixture. Cook these spices for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly until their aroma fills your kitchen. Carefully place the cleaned fish eggs into the simmering masala, ensuring they are evenly distributed. To finish our delicious curry, pour in 1 cup of water and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan, and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. This allows the fish eggs to cook through and absorb all the wonderful flavors. Once cooked, garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro. Serve your hot fish egg curry with steamed rice or flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.